Alright guys, so I pulled the bolts out of the front here, and see what I'm talking about? Those are brand new. Those are the factory ones, and then someone added their own nuts. So I'm just gonna pull it off here. Hopefully nothing else is disconnected. And there it is. So I'm actually well, see, it's got the holes because someone obviously had a light bar in it. But I was thinking about putting this on the two-wheel drive because this is actually a solid setup yet. See, I don't know if these are brackets for the body lift or... Okay, I see the bracket box right in there, so... Yeah. What is this for? I don't know. So, I don't know, I gotta figure a few things out. But I'm pretty sure that like the air dam part is good. I just know that the two-wheel drive needs a new bumper because it is all bad. Like, we'll go over it in the next video when I'm doing some stuff on it, so stay tuned for that. But this one is getting tossed, I think. Well, like, it's still a pretty decent bumper, but I'm not gonna, well, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, to be honest, so we'll just have to see. Oh, is that other one for my horn? I got another horn right there. Huh. Alright. Well, I'll get the grill off now. Alright guys, so now I got the little cover off the top and the screw bolts out of the grill, and so now I should just pull out of there because the 2010s are like that. There it goes. Yeah, so those tabs were bad anyways because of how many times the grill's been out. So there you guys have it. That's a sad sight. At least the hoods, like the head and the headlights, will come off too, because you know I got stuff over there. But there you guys have it for now. Oh, and I found out why my horn's super dumb. Here, let me just yeah, that's gotta go. That's way too embarrassing. So they added an accessory horn here, and the factory one was still there. No, let's just cut the wires to it and add it onto that one and just bolt it to the bumper bracket. And this one was actually unplugged, and I plugged it in and it don't work, so it'll just have to get new horns or something like that. Definitely a train horn, but it would be nice to have, you know, a stock horn or like, you know, something hooked up to the factory one still. Maybe like, you know, like more of a truck horn, but like not a train horn. So that would be nice. And you know, coolers are getting kind of dirty up here, but you know, typical. So oh, this thing's pushed in, so that's nice. Something like that. Anyways, now it's time to do the rear bumper. Alright guys, so I got all the bolts out for the rear bumper, and I got this unhooked for the trailer lights and the trailer adapter, and I got the pod lights, got the wiring unhooked and off of there. So now I'll just take the bumper off. Should just come right off. Oh, there's more lights. Oh, license plate lights. guys have it. Now, I got the rear bumper off. The pucks fell. I have to keep track of those. And these ones. But yeah, there you guys have it. Alright guys, so I have the new grill on and all fitted up. And guys, there's not much room for me to go back, but you guys can see it. The GoPro's wide. And I don't know, you can see like right through it now and everything. So if you run a grill like this, you better like clean up everything behind it, because like now you can see the random brackets. Those aren't being used. I have well, I'm sure you could put a bow tie right on it right there, but I also have one that lights up that you can put on. So I'll put a light up one on right there, and that'll help out a little bit, but it definitely sticks out. And I got it all lined up at the top, so now it's just the bumper that's left. Same with the rear one. And gotta figure out what I want to wire them up to, if I wire them up to these or what the deal is I want to do with that. So I gotta figure that out. Or maybe actually well, because my bumper, it's gonna be pod lights. It's gonna say wired up to the fog lights. That could be pretty cool, actually. I might wire up to my fog lights then. So I'll think about that, but I'm gonna see if I can't get the bumpers modded up and welded. I might have to make custom brackets for my bumpers too because of the body lift, so I'll have to figure that out.